What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I'm here with Juan again with Farmers Insurance. How are you, Juan?
How's it going?
Good, good. So one of the things that we wanted to talk about today is what's happening to some of the companies out there. Obviously, we've seen some shrinkage in the availability of companies, but Fermin just mentioned a little while ago that you guys are expanding. So talk to me about what Farmers Plan is, and have you seen anything about what their expectation is? I mean, they're growing, but at the same time, what's going to happen with premiums and all that?
Yeah, definitely. So great question. So we're taking an aggressive step forward in expanding in California, specifically Southern California. As you know, beginning of last year, there was actually these fires in California where a major competitor decided that they were going to do emergency rate increases. So what Farmers did is we basically created solutions to be able to take in those people that were being, non-renewed or cut off from those, because there was a lot of money that was paid, unfortunately, during those claims last year. But Farmers, it didn't let them deter that. We're actually going to aggressively try to get another percentage of the market share. And the way that we're able to offer coverage is some homes, depending on the age of the plumbing or certain factors, will need what's known as a Moen whole house water leak detection device. So having this device allows us to monitor the water pressure going in and out of your home. If there's ever a leak, you're able to automatically shut it off. This device is like an AI robot that connects it directly to the water main line. Yeah, it's super cool, innovative, and it allows us to offer coverage to more clients. Because usually that's one of the biggest factors is water claims, right? Where do insurance companies spend the most money? Water claims, absolutely. So that's one thing that we're doing to expand is we're offering solutions in order to be able to insure people. If they're in a high wildfire zone, not a problem. We'll basically do a wraparound with the California Fair Plan where they protect the home against fire and Farmers would protect it against everything else. So we look for innovative solutions either in manufactured homes or rentals. We're basically ready. We're ready and we're open for business.
Do you think that having to expand in this way is going to be not necessarily, would it drive premiums down with more competition, more other companies saying, hey, you know what, these guys are being aggressive. In order for them to stay competitive, then everybody's going to try to compete with the premiums, or you think that's not going to
I think it's going to help it stay level. I think it's going to be like there's going to be a big brother now in the field, and it's going to absorb a good amount of the policies that are exiting. And because we have such a good, strict program running at Farmers, it's going to help mitigate the losses. So it's going to help us basically, utilize and keep that loss.
So that we don't see increase in policies as much as we.
Yeah, exactly. So our goal is to maintain the policy premiums. Obviously, if we have to increase the rates, we will. But I do know that Farmers is aggressively looking to also increase the percentage of their home and auto discounts. So that's something that you should definitely look forward to or have a conversation with an agent in the future.
That'd be awesome because in the past I had Farmers, but obviously everything changed. But now I'm hoping to go back because I've always dealt with them and they've been a great company. So thanks, Juan. Thanks for that info. And just to show you that there are companies that are not falling back and not decreasing their production out here in California, while everybody's exiting, Farmers is continually going to grow, so which is good for us because we need the bigger companies to do this. Some of the smaller mom and pop shops, they can cut you like this because they can, but Farmers, I've always had good sense for them, and obviously I'm proud of them, and thank you for coming by.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
All right, brother. See you guys. See you in the next one.